Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this video I'm going back to the series where I redraw LEGO Ninjago characters in my own style. And for this video I chose the character P.I.X.A.L, who is a very cool female android character, and as you guys know I like to draw these robot type characters, so I'm really looking forward to this one. Now let's turn around the camera so I can start drawing and tell you a little bit more about our character of today, P.I.X.A.L. P.I.X.A.L, or Primary Interactive External Assistant Lifeform, also known as Pix to her friends, is a female android created by Cyrus Borg to serve as his assistant. During the Ninjroid conflict, she was briefly under the control of the digital overlord and turned on her friends, but soon became a vital ally to the ninja after being redeemed by Zane. And if you want to see me draw Zane in my own style, I really recommend the Ninjago playlist I mentioned before. You can find all my Ninjago art over there. Well, the rough sketch is done, and I have to say that I really like how our P.I.X.A.L character is turning out here. Let's tighten things up with pencils. Here we go. Just taking a little coffee break because I'm done with the pencils, and you guys know what that means. Inking time! Well, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you liked the drawing of P.I.X.A.L, and if you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!